The Lebanon flag. Make sure that you are facing red and white is at the bottom. Lebanon is a country in Asia and has a population of 6.75 million. The capital of this country is Beirut. The most spoken language in this country is Arabic. The monetary unit used in this country is Lebanese Pound. The area covered by this country is 10,452 kilometers square. If you want to know more about this country, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.